Welcome to Niger and Kano News. In today's news,
in a crucial meeting at the presidential villa in Abuja, the Chief of Staff to President Bola Tinubu, Mr. Femi Gbajabiamila, convened with National Security Advisor (NSA) Mallam Nuhu Ribadu, key ministers, and the Governor of the Central Bank of Nigeria, Yemi Cardoso, to deliberate on the pressing issues of food security and the recent protests erupting in some states. The assembly, which kicked off at around 5:30 p.m. yesterday, was a strategic response to the growing concerns over the cost of living protests in Niger and Kano states. The gathering witnessed the participation of Ministers of Education, Dr. Tahir Mamman, Minister of Finance, Wale, Edun, Minister of Budget and National Planning, Atiku, Bagudu, Minister of Agriculture, Abubakar, Kyari, and State for Agriculture, Sabi, Abdullahi. The meeting came against the backdrop of a political dispute with the ruling All Progressives Congress (APC) accusing opposition parties, including the People's Democratic Party (PDP), Labour Party (LP), and the Coalition of United Political Parties (CUPP), of instigating anti-government protests. The opposition in return criticized the APC for what they described as a failure to address the economic hardships facing the nation, which they argue has led to the demonstrations. Following the meeting, which lasted approximately 3 hours, the Minister of Information and National Orientation, Muhammad Idris, briefed State House correspondents. He relayed President Tinubu's deep concerns over the situation and announced the President's directive for the Presidential Committee to take decisive steps to alleviate the hardships experienced by the Nigerian populace. Thank you for being a part of Niger and Kano News today. Join us again soon for more. Stay informed, stay connected.